Hi guys, this is Satisfying Things video. Here's number one. It's raining right now, so it's got some water on it. Zoom up on it, please. The scissors. That is so wet down here. Oh my goodness, this is rain. Next, I'm gonna get the dandelion. I'm going to pull these petals off, which is super satisfying, but that's not one of them. So there's actually seeds inside. You can scoop out. And then, with the stem, as long as it's thick enough, you should, let's try the other end. Yes, should be able to peel it. Like that. I'm doing this all day. Can even start from the middle, because that's super satisfying. Okay, so when this is wet, it spins out water. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's wet. Another satisfying thing is if you grab a plant that like your rabbit or your pet can eat. Don't mind this in here. The bunny can have it. Look how quickly she eats that up. That is so satisfying. It's Izzy, remember? Yeah. Don't you smell of outside? See what she does doing. Lip, lip, lip. Okay, another satisfying thing is cleaning up.
Ew.
Especially in the rain. This next part is where you shovel up some stones and then you flatten them out. Okay, next I have some dirt on here and scraping it is so satisfying. Look at that. It's basically cleaning it. But the next one is also to do with dirt. Look at that. That's so satisfying.
Scrumdiddlyumptious.
And then, yeah, scrumptious. Then, is this making me do this?
It's satisfying to watch your cousin possibly hurt themselves.
Like you
Joking,
walk
joking.
down there and then you slipped onto your bottom. Okay, like,
I'm hoping the same will happen to you.
no.
Yes.
I want to sit down and do it.
Okay, you'll get more wet, but okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Go on then.
No, I'm wet. This. Peel up the seeds.
Why?
And then go. And you break it.
the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, and he said to the man,
Fine thing for Izzy is this.
do it again. Do it again. Hee hee hee. Flop.
Just to impress me, like.